Hi everyone, today we have the software called Nimbata, and this is the best call tracking software for SEO and PPC or pay per click tracking. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits, so do not miss out on that. Okay, so here on the platform you can see we have various features. So we have, of course, PPC and search engine optimization activities. Now if you have some business to business calls going on, you know how important it is to track your leads and everything, so it provides you the best and ideal features to just do that. And it offers, let's say, gainful visibility on what makes your phone ring. So of course it is going to be providing some features that are going to be helping you generate leads, and everything is going to be nicely represented in these reports that it generates. You have different type of integrations, so you can see if we click on feel the integration magic, you will get to know about their integrations. So click on explore integrations. Now they offer wide range of integrations as well to fully automate your business. You can see you have Slack, Zapier, and much more. So now to simply try out Nimbata, you can also check out its review that I'm going to be going through. Now you can see in here, rising above rest, Nimbata delivers unrivaled call tracking solutions, the best phone call attribution software, and wonderful support team. So really amazing. Now you can head over to the link in the description to access Nimbata and extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So something that you should not miss out. That is it for this video. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next one.